Hello, my name's Eric. I'm a service advisor here at Windsor Mazda. Here at Mazda, we know how important it is to keep your vehicle in the best shape. Therefore, we offer our auto detailing for vehicles. We offer 4 packages: bronze, silver, gold, and ceramic coating. Each level offers more perks than the previous, and we'll go through each one. The bronze package begins at $89 for cars. This basic level is perfect if you maintain your vehicle. It's also good if you want the car cleaned after a road trip or before going out of town. It includes vacuuming and wiping down the interior, cleaning the seats and surrounding areas, as well as the windows. On the outside, your vehicle will have a hand wash and dry to make it the best looking car on the road. We will also clean the rims and remove the bugs. The silver package includes all those, plus an emphasis on the interior and cargo area. It includes brushing and vacuuming the interior with shampoo and steam. This is followed by detailing the interior, a full wipe down, cleaning and conditioning the leather, and do the windows and mirrors. This package begins at $269. The gold package, this is the package you need if you need a good, heavy cleaning of the vehicle. We would recommend this at the beginning of the spring. This is the all-in-one package and deep cleans both the interior and exterior. This includes everything from the silver and bronze packages, but also several features on the outside. It also has the rubber and plastic trim cleaned and the engine bay cleaned as well. There is paint protection and shine, lastly waxing. This protects your vehicle and fills in the small scratches. Lastly, ceramic coating. Treat your vehicle with a semi-permanent layer of protection that bonds with paint on the molecular level. Protect the body of your car against scratches, chemicals, terrain, and the elements. To schedule your appointment, visit us at windsormazda.com. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.